If you've ever had a bunch of tab groups open in Chrome and wanted to clean them up fast, this quick tip is going to save you time. In today's video, I'm showing you how to close tab groups in Chrome using the middle click, which is a simple shortcut that makes removing group tabs much faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and find the tab group you want to close. A tab group is the colored label that groups multiple tabs together so you can keep related pages organized. Now, move your mouse over one of the tabs inside that group. Instead of left-clicking, use the middle click on your mouse wheel. That means pressing the scroll wheel down once on the tab that belongs to the group. As soon as you do that, Chrome will bring up a message asking if you want to close the tab and delete the group. This is the key step because Chrome is checking whether you want to remove just the tab or the entire group set. When that prompt appears, click Delete Group. This will remove the tab group from Chrome and clean up the tabs that were organized inside it. If there are other tabs in the group, Chrome will handle the group removal based on that action, so you won't need to manually ungroup everything one by one. This is especially useful if you have lots of tab groups and want a faster way to clear them out without dragging tabs around or opening extra menus. Just remember, the middle click works on a tab inside the group and then you confirm by selecting Delete Group. And that's it, you now know how to close tab groups in Chrome using the middle click. It's a small trick, but it can make browser cleanup a lot quicker. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.